one is complete combustion, in which completely burn into CO2 and H2O. So the alkanes is burned into carbon dioxide and water. For example, in which this is propane, and then it's burned, producing 3 carbon oxide, carbon dioxide, and 4 water. How to balance it? For example, we will use butane for here, and then butane is C4H10, and then we don't know how much oxygen, right? But in complete combustion, it's given sufficient oxygen, so there is plenty of oxygen available, and then it will produce carbon dioxide and water as the complete combustion of hexane.
So hard.
Hexane is the
Hexane 6 or 5.
C6, and the format is CmH2n plus 2. So C6H14.
13.
14.
Where is it?
Okay, continue, Azkha. Continue.
Okay. And then the other one is incomplete combustion, in which is not given sufficient oxygen, so it's producing carbon or carbon monoxide. And carbon monoxide is very poisonous, so be careful. So for example, like this, if we burn like the fireplace, like there is given sufficient oxygen, in which like there is 3 oxygen, right? And it's complete combustion, and it's completely converted into carbon dioxide and water vapor. But in here, it's only lesser amount of oxygen, in which lesser oxygen, so it's insufficient. So it's called incomplete combustion. It's producing carbon dioxide, water vapor, and carbon monoxide. And then I will explain the second reaction of alkanes. Second reaction of alkane is substitution reaction, in which one or more hydrogen atoms of alkane substitute by different atoms. That's why it's called substitution. It can be simplified to RH plus X squared become RH plus HX, in which R is abbreviated of alkyl group, and then H is for hydrogen and X is for halogen atom. Halogen atom is in the 7A, or is fluorine, chloride, bromide, iodine, and so on. Then for example, we will use methane or CH4, and then plus chloride, and then given ultraviolet radiation, and then producing and then CH3Cl, and then plus HCl, and then we'll use this one to adding more chloride, and then produce CH2Cl2 plus HCl, and then again CH2Cl2 plus Cl2 to CHCl3 plus HCl, and then this to here again CHCl3 plus Cl2 become carbon tetrachloride, in which used in the fire extinguisher, then plus HCl. So it's substitute, right? Like H becomes Cl. So we substitute from like CH4 to CCl4. And then the third reaction is the hydrogenation reaction, in which hydrogen atoms are removed from the alkane and then producing unsaturated hydrocarbon, in which we'll use ethane, C2H6 in here, like CH3 and CH3, and then the catalyst is from it, Cr2O3 in 500 degrees Celsius, and then the hydrocarbon become unsaturated, producing ethylene plus H2. So the hydrogen is removed from the ethane. And then do you know alkyl group in subdivision? So what is alkyl group? Alkyl group is like the groups of atoms that is resulted when a hydrogen is removed from an alkene. So that's all is three reactions of alkenes.
Okay, let's give Azkha a hand.